it's finally in, and I said, oh, make sure I don't have anything. I said I would do an unboxing, and I have plans today, and I simply can't wait, so I'm gonna film this on my phone. I kind of like the quality though. I'm so excited. Ew, I need to calm down. Okay. Okay, so first, I was not expecting that kind of box. And oh my god, I'm like ripping this bag open. Okay, so there's probably a better way to do this, but I've literally ripped it open. Ooh, I see products. I'm just trying to... Okay, now before I look any more into this, they have really secured that motherfucker in. Anyway, so I got the Essentials palette, the Modern Matte Lipstick in Coming in Hot, and then I got the Modern Lip Definer in Bark and the Nova Glow highlighter in Bijou. So my total was 92 euros, which I think is like $100 something in US dollars, but I don't know all that. It's somehow I don't know. But the first look, first of all, that is very pretty. Who's she fighting? Oh my gosh, she's so pretty. Okay, so I'm already okay. Here we go. Okay, I'm getting picked up in like 5 minutes, so I need to be quick. So let's save the Essential palette for last. Okay, so this is the Modern Lip and the Modern Lip Definer. How about I finish my words? And this is what she looks like. I'll do swatches later. I don't have time to do swatches. This is the Modern Matte Lipstick. Oh, I'm so excited for this color. The packaging is so pretty. Oh my god, I love that. Let me just... Oh my god. I was worried about these two colors going together because on the website it was kind of tricky. On Vieve's website it was kind of tricky to figure out like... Ooh, I like the way that closed. It's kind of hard to like figure out what colors would go good together, but I'm glad with the ones that I got. Okay. This is the highlighter, the Nova Glow highlighter in the shade Bijou. The packaging feels so nice. Like, oh, I don't know why. I don't know why I did that. But it feels, oh, it's so expensive. Now, I do see a little bit of like, you see that? But I mean, I'm not picky as long as, yeah, as long as this is okay. Oh my god. I'm not going to take any of the plastic covering off until I can actually use it. So, okay. And now the moment that we have all waited for, let me just, is the Essentials palette. I almost dropped it. It's so much bigger. Okay, so like, let me just, as for reference, this is the Soft Glam palette from Anastasia. It's a pretty big difference. Okay, I don't know why I'm so, I waited. Oh my god. Oh yeah, that's right. That she said that it can go all the way back like that. Look at how gorgeous. Oh my god. All right, I cannot wait to play with this tomorrow. I will be waking up early. I have an exam tomorrow, so I'll be waking up early to film this and then get on for my exam. But I'm so excited and I cannot wait to try these products out. I have a feeling they are going to be amazing. So yeah, bye. All right, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I filmed this and then it stopped recording. So I guess if you want to see how I, created this look with Jamie Genevieve's palette, stay tuned. So I'm gonna zoom you guys in. Wow, like that. And yeah. Okay. So the first shade that I'm going to go into is Chow, which is this lovely orange shade. And I am just going to build that up and out. And then I'm going to take the shade Cozy on that same brush, and I'm just going to basically go over what I just did. Right, and now taking Buff, I'm going to take that on a bigger, fluffier brush. I love Buff. Buff is probably my favorite shade. I just think it's so lovely. Taking Buff, I'm going to, you know, go over everything that we just did. We're just going to keep going back and forth, really. And like, do you see how beautifully like the colors are blending together? No fallout whatsoever. It's literally such a good palette. And dip into the shade Delicious, which is this warm brown. I like how she included a warm tone and a cool tone brown. I think that was really smart. Okay, so taking a different brush, I'm gonna take these. I'm gonna go back into what I used for the lighter tones. I'm gonna go back into the shade Delicious with that and kind of just pack it on a little more. So now I just want you guys to witness how beautiful and buildable this black shade is. It is this, if you're more intimidated by black eyeshadows, which is completely understandable, so am I, and I continue to be, but this particular one is so easy to build and so easy to blend, and I think that's definitely what you need in a black eyeshadow. So I love the shade. It's called Goodnight, and I'm going to do what I've done over here, which is just darken that outer corner. And then I'm going to stop right there for the black eyeshadow. We're going to come back to it, but I want to put the shimmers on before we start. And with the shimmers, I'm going to zoom out just a little bit. So the shimmers. I like the shimmers. I think they're really good. I just, you do have to like spray them for them to come like really pigmented, which I don't really like to spray, I think. But I do like the way they look with and without the spray. So actually I'm going to start with Glimmer, which is the lightest shimmer. There it goes. So this is that. And I actually am going to zoom you back in. Wow. Don't fall, please. Oh my God. Okay. So I'm going to pack that into the inner corner without spraying it. It's still a very beautiful shade. Then I'm going to take the shade Carrot. I'm going to take that shade Carrot and spray it with a setting spray and pack it into where I've put it over here. So that's really where I'm going to put the gold shade. I'm not going to bring it all the way into the middle of my eye because I'm going to do more of a gradient. So taking a small blending brush, I'm going to dip into the shade. What shade did I use? Oh yeah. I'm going to take Buffy and not Buffy, oh my gosh. Buff and Cozy, these two shades, and blend that into right here. And then I'm just going to slowly darken this up basically. So I'm going to take that black and I'm just going to blend it on this little smaller brush. And before I go any darker with the black, I am going to take a pause. I'm going to do this winged liner, and I'm going to use Blackout from DANESSA MYRICKS, and I'm going to use it on like an e.l.f. pointer brush. And I'm just going to wing that out real quick. The wings are not even, but that's okay. We're not here for the wings. So now once that's done, I'm going to take the small packer brush, like the small blending brush, small tapered blending, that's what it's called. And I'm going to and then I'm going to take Buff and Cozy and just kind of, and then I'm going to take Carrot on like my middle finger and just pack it on like that. It's very beautiful. I do really like them. And then I'm going to take Delicious and Cozy. Put that right in the middle, just blend this a little more. I'm gonna take the shade Goodnight. I think I said Delicious, but I'm gonna take the shade Goodnight and make this little corner in my eye. And then I'm gonna take it a little bit and blend it down here. And then I'm gonna take the shades Delicious and Buff, and then I'm just gonna take a little more Blackout. Goodnight. Sorry, I'm saying Blackout because the DANESSA MYRICKS liner, it's called Blackout, but this is Goodnight. I'm so sorry. Please forgive me. Okay, that looks pretty even to me. So we're gonna, oh wait. Oh, I can't believe I almost forgot. I'm gonna take the shade Glimmer. I love the shade. So pretty, so gorgeous. Put that in my brow bone. Oh, gorgeous. Okay, let's zoom you back out. Okay, and let me apply some mascara real quickly. I'm going to take, yes, the Nova Glow highlight in the shade Bijou. And I am going to take it on an e.l.f. highlighting brush. Okay, cool. And I am just going to... And that is Bijou. I think it gives just like a really lovely shine to the face. I really like this. I do think I like a more in your face highlight, but I think this is really pretty and I can build it up. And I usually, honestly, 9 times out of 10, I usually put Tiara down from DANESSA MYRICKS. And then I go over top, but I wanted to just give you guys like what it looks like on its own. And then I'm going to use the Vieve Modern Matte Lipstick in the shade Coming in Hot. And this is actually very cool toned, and I didn't think it was going to be, but it is what it is at this point. And I'm just going to take that. That's actually really pretty. So maybe it's not as cool toned as I thought it was. Maybe it's just Bark on mixed and makes it a little cool toned. But I am going to take Bark and lightly just... So this is the final look now that my hair is doing whatever it wants per usual, and I've got earrings in and a different top. Bottoms still the same, baby. I wear sweatpants almost nonstop. But anyway, so yeah, that was my little tutorial using Vieve, and I really like the palette. I recommend it to professionals, and I recommend it to people who are just starting out. I think it's great. I think like it's such a good start. Like it's a good starting palette, like if you're just starting to get into makeup, and it's also something that you want to have to go reach to. Like I've had my soft glam palette for so long, and you know I do love doing a big soft glam look. But you know, I was just repeating, like it was just getting kind of repetitive, so I'm very happy that I finally have another palette to kind of look to for a little more natural slash grungy type look. But yeah, I don't know if this would count as grunge, don't come for me, okay? But yeah, I hope you all enjoyed, and I will see you in the next video. Also, for more, wait, before we go, if you want to see more daily content from me, please, in the description box is the link to my TikTok and my Instagram, and that's where I post daily. And yeah, so I hope you all enjoyed, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.